Morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Let us move on this session. Your lesson name is water. Your lesson name is water. Today's topics covered by sources of water, water from the river to the house, well, borewell, hand pump, journey of river, lake, dam to tap. Sources of water. See this picture, children. Sun evaporates the water and reach the sky and again come again with the rain and they fill the reservoirs. Sources of water. Raindrop will fall on the earth and fill ponds, lakes and rivers. Rivers flow while lakes and ponds do not. Lakes are bigger than ponds. The rainwater fall on the ground and seep underground too. Once again, children, raindrop will fall on the earth and fill ponds, lakes and rivers. Rivers flow while lakes and ponds do not. Lakes are bigger than ponds. The rainwater fall on the ground and seep underground too. People dig wells and bore wells to get rainwater. They also use pumps to lift me up from the ground. People use rainwater for their use. Sources of water. Sources of water are river, lake, pond, stream, rain. Underground water are from well, bore well and hand pump. Here see the water cycle, children. See this picture. The water get evaporated. Condensation means it's cooling and then come again with rain. It's otherwise called as precipitation. Wells are the holes in the ground dug by shovel. Wells are the holes in the ground dug by shovel and then lined with stones, bricks, etc. To prevent collapse, it is covered with a cap of wood, stone or concrete. It is so difficult to dig the ground. Dug wells are not very deep. Borewell. Borewell is a deep, narrow hole drilled into the ground from which water is drawn through a pipe and pump. It is used to bring the groundwater to the surface through borewell. Hand pump. Hand pump are manually operated pumps. Hand pumps are water lifting devices. They use human power and mechanical advantage to move fluids or air from one place to another. Here see the picture, children. Water from the river to the house. How will you get water from the house? Let us see. Dam. A dam is a structure built across a river or stream to hold back the water. Reservoirs created by dams are not only surpass floods but also provide water for activities such as irrigation. Children, irrigation means is otherwise called as farming. Human consumption, industrial use, aquaculture and navigability. Overhead water tank. Overhead water tank is a usual water storage tank. The water from the ground level is filled inside the tank through pumping. House water tank. House tanks help to store water and supply it through the day for performing different activities. River, lake, dam. These are all the water reservoirs. They get into large water overhead tank and move into sump and move to the house water tank and coming from tap. Do you know, children, if you have a fever, Be sure to drink lot of water. It will help to bring down the fever. Don't forget, my dear cuties, you have to drink lot of water every day. Water is essential for our body. It prevents many diseases and you can grow taller also. Thank you, my dear children. I hope you all understand this session. See you in next lesson. Save water, save life. Save water, save earth. Thank you, my dear children.